Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get refund on G2G. So for example, let's say you have purchased one item, for example for Mobile Legends. You purchase this item. After you click on buy and finish all the things, when you log into your account you will see your purchased item. You click on that, then you select the item that you want to get a refund for it. After that you should see something like this. You can click on the refund button and go back to your home screen, and you will see that the refund process is started. But if you already received that item and you want to get a refund, so all what you need to do is to contact the support and describe your issue and continue the process with them. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.